Dear student, today we have to learn the subject Social Science, Standard 8, chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is the natural disaster. Dear children, two types of the disaster are there. One is a man-made disaster and second one is a natural disaster. But today in this chapter we only learn about the natural disaster. Now, on the 12th March 2011, on the 12th March 2011, Krishna showed the picture of the tsunami in the newspaper. What happened that, dear children? Here, in 2011, 12th March, Krishna showed the picture of the tsunami in the newspaper. And already, so many times you have to watch the television also in television or reading the newspaper. So many times you have to listen, or in newspaper you have watching the different types of the natural disaster photographs. So same way here, what happened that Krishna saw the picture of the tsunami in the newspaper. After the reaching school, it means after the reaching the school, she asked her class teacher, "Sir, I read the news about the tsunami in the newspaper." Now what happened that, dear children? Krishna see the picture of the newspaper in the at their home. After reaching at the school, Krishna asked this question to his class teacher, "Sir, today I have to see the picture of the tsunami in the newspaper. How does a tsunami occur?" Sir replied, it means Krishna sir give the reply that natural disaster are of two types. What the Krishna teacher have give the answer to the Krishna, that natural disaster are of the two types. Disaster like earthquake, tsunami and volcano occur due to the changes in the interior of the earth. Now, what the teacher said to the Krishna? The teacher said to the Krishna that the natural disaster occur on the basis of the two types. One type that they have to say that whatever the natural disaster are there, like example earthquake, tsunami, volcano, this all are occur due to the changes in the interior of the earth. Wherever the disaster like flood, cyclone, forest fire, drought, etc. occur due to the changes on the surface of the earth. It means here, dear children, be careful. Two types of natural disaster there are given, and these two types of the natural disaster, they have to say that one is occur on the basis of the interior of the earth, while second one is occur on the changes on the surface of the earth. Now, first of all, we are learning about the earthquake. The weak upper crust of the earth suddenly experienced the tremors either due to the collision of the plates or due to the tremendous pressure in the interior of the earth. Now what happened that, dear children? Here, whenever the pressure into the interior of the earth, that time the earthquake is occur. Same way here, just you have to take the example that in 2001, 26 January, Kutch, the earthquake is occurred. Same way in the few days also in our Gondal near the Doraji, the earthquake is occur, and we know very well that presently all the people are suffering from the corona. Same way here the people are also suffering from the earthquake also. So same way, dear children, what they have to given that? They have to given that the tremendous pressure in the interior of the earth. That's why what happened there? The earthquake is occur. Waves, tremendous of the earthquake originated from its hypocenter, which is the deep down below the surface of the earth. What they have to say that in any place the earthquake is occur, and that is the main origin of the point. It is known as a hypocenter of that point, and where the deep down below the surface of the earth. Such sudden shaking or trembling is known as an earthquake. What they have to say that? They have to say that sudden shaking or otherwise trembling is known as a earthquake. Earthquake waves are created from the epicenter during the process of an earthquake. What they have to say that, dear children? They have to say that whatever the earthquake happens, that time the earthquake waves are created from their main epicenter during the process of an earthquake. earthquake occurred due to the internal disturbance in the earth. Dear children, why the earthquake is occurred? The earthquake is occurred due to only and only internal disturbance in the earth. Now dear children, they have to given the pictures here. They have to given the picture of the disturbance on the surface due to the earthquake. Here the picture of the scene of the destruction due to the earthquake. Here just you have to see, this is the given about the epicenter, this is the main hypocenter. So same way, this is the main center where the earthquake is occur, and due to that main center, the waves are of the earthquake are spreading from the interior of the earth. Here the destruction of the earthquake, we know very well that whenever the earthquake is occur, that time what happened, that here the so much buildings are destructed, so many trees are also falls down. So same way we have also take care, wherever the earthquake is happen, we know that the vibration movement was started, and due to the vibrating movement, what happened there, the destruction of the earthquake is there. Now here the waves of the earthquake spread outward from the epicenter. Wherever any point is there from the earthquake epicenter, from the epicenter the waves are to be the spreading. The point on the surface of the earth exactly above the hypocenter focus is known as the epicenter. Dear children, be careful. Here they have to given the meaning of the epicenter. What was the meaning of the epicenter? Epicenter, it means the point on the surface of the earth where exactly above the hypocenter, it means the point of the surface of the earth exactly above their hypocenter or focus is known as a epicenter. The intensity of the earthquake is felt the maximum around the epicenter. Whatever the intensity of the earthquake, this intensity of earthquake is felt the maximum around their epicenter. The intensity of the earthquake decrease as we move away from the epicenter. What happened that, dear children, when we are moving from the epicenter to move, that time what happened that here the earthquake decrease as we are moving away from the epicenter. We can measure the intensity of the earthquake and know its point of the origin or hypocenter with the help of a seismograph. Dear children, what happened that here they have to say that we can measure the intensity of the earthquake, through which we can measure the intensity of the earthquake. We can measure the intensity of the earthquake through the hypocenter with the help of the seismograph. So dear children, seismograph can measure the earthquake. That hypocenter with the help of the seismograph we can measure the earthquake, and that's why you have to so many times read that 5.1 after 6.8. So same way seismograph measure the earthquake. There are the three main reasons for the occurrence of an earthquake. Here mean three reasons are there. Due to these three reasons the earthquake is occur. One, earthquake caused by a volcanic eruption. One is a earthquake due to the volcanic eruption. Second one, earthquake caused by the strike slip fault. Second one, earthquake caused by strike slip fault. And third one, the earthquake caused by subduction in an active subduction zone. And third one is concerned with the subduction zone. These all are the three reasons. Due to this, these are the three main reasons due to which the earthquake is occurred.